Hello friends, good morning. Today we will create 100% success showed study for brick business. It will a zero competition strategy. That means using this strategy, no one can compete with you in this business. Try to achieve this result or easy understanding via SWOT analysis. Study is the way by which we make market segmentation, penetration, future planning in such a way that our success is 100% guaranteed. And SWOT analysis is a technical way of analyzing strength, weakness, opportunity and threat of the market, so that knowing our strength along with weakness, we could maximize our strength. In similar way, we should understand opportunity and threat of external environment. But trial will be to take advantage of opportunity and minimize the threat. Our focus is get 100% sure success in the business. Watch the video till end that you have a clear understanding. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. We have already discussed with the product, price, place and promotion regarding to the fly ash business. That means 4 pieces of marketing in first video. And have detailed discussion of economics, profit of the business in second video. Please look into these to have a clear understanding of this part. Product plays an important role in case of business strategy. Strength of the product, having clear brand identification in the market. As far as fly ash bricks is concerned, let us discuss about the strength of the product. You are well aware that fly ash products are alternative to the high compressive machines with hydro technology, and its fine shaft is super informed in comparison to handmade red bricks. Some of fly ash bricks are same as red bricks, hence no any alteration in building construction is needed. Strength of fly ash bricks is at almost 4 times than red bricks. Comprehensive in strength of fly bricks is approximately 110 kg per centimeter square in comparison to 35 kg per centimeter square of red bricks. Material absorption in case of fly ash bricks is maximum 10% at decrease prepared by curing, whereas in case of red bricks it's more than 30%. Material wastage in case of fly ash production, raw materials as well as finished goods, is not more than 2%. But in case of red bricks, it goes beyond 10%. You may find a lot of broken piece of red bricks at building site. It will not observe any such scenario in fly ash construction. In order to give final finishing of any building, the use of cement is 50% lesser in case of fly ash bricks. Also, fly ash bricks are light. It weighs approximately 2.5 kg in comparison to 3.5 kg of red bricks. In high-rising building, there is no substitute of fly ash. Super fine shape, super strength, finest finishing makes fly ash bricks easily identified. Even without cement layering, your building will super shine with fly ash. So you have clear product and market segmentation based on quality and strength as well as look for fly ash bricks, fly ash tiles and fly ash based other building materials. An excellent businessman always take care about the weakness of its product. Weakness in the brand. Red bricks are classical product. People are utilizing red bricks from thousands of years. So they having clear image about red bricks, about its quality, about its requirement, etc. Hence it is needed to penetrate into the market by quality and its strength. Remember the case study of Tata Nano. Tata Nano launched its 1 lakh car having all suited quality, but it failed to create a brand image in the people as a car owner. In India, owning a car is a social image. So Tata, by positioning its car as a cheapest car, made a great mistake. In the similar way, constructing a home is considered as social stability and social status representation. People don't like to show themselves as using cheap material for building construction. Hence, instead of going for the cost in branding, you should brand your product on quality, its heat resistance capacity, better futuristic imagination, etc. You must have some visual audio media of expert and great personalities who are elaborating about this product. You must have a list of happy customers. Create a great brand equity. Must keep pictures of some splendid buildings made by fly ash bricks. Keep some testing machines with yourself to check out the comprehensive capacity of the fly ash bricks. Give visual identification and clear branding. Made establishment as utilizing the best material, 120 years at least in a splendid building construction. Simply penetrate into the mind of people by its quality, not by cost. Now coming to the external environment, first have an bullseye on opportunity. Project is green project, it's farmer land saving project, pollution free project, hence no certification from pollution department is required. Just need to give them a letter about the establishment of your plant. Project is completely supported by government, subsidies given by government, easy bank loans are available. Government had made it mandatory to utilize 100% fly ash in the radius of 300 km from thermal power plant. In the radius of 300 km, business placement point is clear. Government of India makes it mandatory to use fly ash bricks in all of its projects wherever fly ash availability is there. Hence, this is a great opportunity. Establish your business in radius of 300 km. Keep eye on government projects. An excellent way to brand your product and show the quality to the large number of people. Automatic machine by economy for scale, that means production in large quantity in a small period, produces products at per unit cost leisure. Also in case of some government projects, it's mandatory. You must start with automatic machine with high compressive strength and better quality. Whenever you are buying a machine, take care of future requirements also. Start with most upgraded form, so that at least in coming 5 to 10 years, no innovation in masonry could impact your business and produce a competitor. By using automatic machine also, easy alteration of module is possible. These automatic machine, apart from fly ash bricks, hollow bricks, color bricks, interlocking tiles, cement, bricks manufacturing, all are possible. To take care of large market segment and adopt the technology as well as process based in the industry. We will elaborate more on machine, modeling, market and possibility in next video. We have make a systematic approach and opportunity that we have. The similar way we should think about the threat we receive from the market, from external condition. We must prepare a plan so that we could handle those threats. There is two threats possible in the market. First one is alternative low cost production of bricks, and second one is pressure group creation by existing red bricks player. Case of first scenario, that low cost production of upcoming competitors. To overcome this challenge, we have already advised you start with fully automatic machine capable of low cost of production, easy alteration module and best upgraded version. Open your eyes, always be in consult with other manufacturers, try to understand what are the innovative ways they are following. Keep moving, keep focusing on all your product development. Be very innovative, think about the product development in more better way, and future will be your. Selected segment is not easy penetrable. Hence, if you are focused and innovative, competition could not produce any threat for you. Coming to the second point, that is pressure group creation by established red bricks players. It is possible that classical players could create a pressure group that could affect your production. Remember here two things. First one is this is a green project, eco-friendly, farmer-friendly, government-supported, and financial institution supported project. Direct hampering of your business is not possible. But via pressure group, impact is possible. Minimize the impact from this direction, must join some association like Fly Bricks Manufacturer Association, Greenhouse Project Association, Members of Business, where you can raise your voice in case of some pressure creation by these groups. We will make in-depth analysis of machine selection, project loan, and other government circulars that could boost your business. Next video. We are into this business from last 5 years. As fly is supplied to different cement industries as well as fly bricks manufacturers. So these are based on our experience. Request you to be very much free in case of any query. Case studies that is given here undoubtedly create a clear path of success for you. Don't wait, jump into the business and be successful. In meantime, don't forget to like and share the video, circulate it to as much as possible so that most of people could be benefited from this. Must subscribe our channel to have such great business ideas. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Thank you.